kids love the furniture. In fact, our problem has been more deciding who gets to sit at which place and which site. But by having enough places of different types of seating, we're able to let the kids make some choices.
Student choice in a makerspace lab is the best part because kids can choose what they want to build and how they want to build it and where they want to build it.
I really enjoyed making spaghetti marshmallow towers today. I haven't spent too much time in it, but it just seems like a really cool place.
Some people are visual, some people are auditory. One person may be more interested and put more effort into a hands-on activity than just listening to a teacher.
The way you can move and reconfigure the space so that you can have it function for basically anything is just fabulous.
Furniture and shelving and storage spaces that make all of the materials not only available, but make it obvious that they're all available, and it is really useful.
So just like any of us, if you're in your home, you want a comfortable space to work, to relax, to be thinking, to be producing, to be creative, and this furniture does that for us. It gives them opportunity to move and to be creative and to stand and to have a really positive, exciting place to work.
The most important tool is the group interaction that the students have. In a makerspace, when it's utilized to its fullest potential, it's not about one student learning by themselves. It's about the students learning from each other. It's about having a project that requires many hands and many thoughts.
I think it's a place to express your creativity, and there's a lot of supplies that you can use that are not really available in certain places, and it's just to be creative.